And the one I really love more than anything is the extended trading hours. You can now trade stocks outside of the regular trading hours, and I'm going to explain how this works because it's really crucial. Now, at the moment, if you want to buy stocks, it's usually the US stock market is usually open from 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time until 9 p.m. The market gets closed, and that's it. You cannot buy or sell stocks until the next day, Monday to Friday. That is how it has always been. But these new extended trading hours actually let you trade pre-market. It means that you can wake up in the morning, 9 a.m. Nigerian time. You can actually log into your Bamboo app, buy a stock or sell a stock, and it will work. I'm going to tell you the advantages of this and the disadvantage, but let's cover the other part of it. When the stock market closes by 9 p.m. now, you can now actually still continue trading stocks until around 1 a.m. So I'm going to put this on screen so you can see, when the pre-market hours are, when the, after hours are, and all of that. This is just for US stocks. It's not for the Nigerian stock market, right? And I did want to warn that trading after hours or before market opens regularly can mess up your trade. Sometimes it's a good thing, sometimes it's not. Let's say, for example, Uber is going to announce their earnings by 9 a.m. before market opens today, and they go ahead and do that. A lot of people will now get a chance to quickly sell their shares if the earnings of Uber is not looking good. A lot of these companies announce their earnings when market opens or before market opens and after it closes. So being able to trade pre-market and after hours means you can actually sell your shares immediately if the news you hear about a company is not good, or if Uber is saying we did really well this past quarter, for October, November, December, the last quarter of the year, we are going to do really well. People will just rush and start buying. Now the market has closed or the market hasn't opened for the day. Before, you cannot buy the stocks immediately, but with this pre-market and after-market trading feature, which is called extended hours, you can now go ahead and buy stocks or sell stocks immediately. If Uber announced good earnings, you can just buy and from there make more money. So it also makes the market volatile because when stuff are being announced after market has closed, a lot of people will be getting in and out of trade. So because of that, a stock might pump and then go down. So there's just high amount of volatility and all of that. So you need to be very careful if you want to use that feature. I have tested it. It works fine. I tried buying, I think it was FLNC, the stock. I bought it around 1 p.m. Nigerian time. That's 1 hour 30 minutes before the stock market would regularly open, and the trade was successful before the market even opened for everybody. So I think that this is really good. This is amazing. It's also going to help Bamboo grow in terms of just being a step ahead of their competitors, because I don't think there's any other platform out there right now that lets you trade pre-market. I'm talking about Nigeria, of course, that lets you trade pre-market and after hours. Now, if you don't have the extended hours feature on your stocks trading app, the Bamboo trading app, you need to go to your profile icon at the top left corner, click on that, and then you see an option to turn on or disable extended hours. Personally, I think you should turn it on so you'll be able to exit and enter trades at any time. But if you don't, if you like the old Bamboo and you don't really want to do extended hours trading, then you can just turn it off. I hope this has, helped you understand it to some extent. If you have questions, if there's something specific you don't understand, feel free to ask me in the comments.